In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use the Copilot feature in chat and channel views to keep yourself updated and organized. Whether you're catching up on a chat you've missed or looking for decisions or open items within a conversation, Copilot is a handy tool to help you streamline your communication. First, you'll want to navigate to the chat or channel view where you need a quick update. Once you're there, take a moment to look closely at the user interface, and in the upper left corner, you'll spot the Copilot icon. It's usually quite visible and serves as a handy entry point to this powerful feature. So once you've located it, go ahead and select Open Copilot. This action will bring the Copilot tool to life, ready to assist in parsing through your conversations. Now onto the exciting part, using prompts to get the information you need. For instance, if you've been away from a chat for a few days, a simple prompt like, "Summarize what I've missed in the chat from the last 7 days," will be incredibly useful. Copilot will swiftly analyze the chat history and provide a concise overview of what you've missed, making it easy for you to get back up to speed without having to scroll through endless messages. But that's not all. You can also prompt Copilot to help with organizational tasks within your chats. Asking questions like, "What decisions were made?" or "What are open items?" allows Copilot to zero in on crucial pieces of information, pulling out key decisions or ongoing topics that need your attention. This feature can be invaluable for catching important action points or unresolved matters in a group discussion, ensuring you're both informed and prepared for what's next on the agenda. After you receive a response from Copilot, take a moment to thoroughly review it. The neat part about these summaries and insights is that they come with linked citations. This means you can click on any of these citations within the response, and it takes you directly to the original messages. This feature is extremely helpful, as it doesn't just give you the headline information, but allows you to dive deeper into the context directly from the summary. By following these steps, you'll find that using Copilot enhances not only your understanding, but also your efficiency in managing ongoing conversations. It's all about making your workflow smoother, saving you precious time, and ensuring you're always on top of what's happening in your channels and chats. So, give it a try and see how Copilot can transform the way you navigate through your communications.